This is my tile that's going in the shower floor. This is not, it looks like marble, it is not marble. This is actually a glass, it's a glass tile. So when you're installing a glass tile, make sure you use the proper thin set. You want a ANSI A118.15 mortar. That's a high polymer content mortar. Okay, so I'm dry fitting the mosaic tile on the shower floor. I pretty much always do that because that way you have everything cut and then you can just cement it in all at once. Now because this floor slopes like this and then it slopes up like that, slopes like that, and slopes up like this, because that's a high point, and it slopes back down, etc. You know, there's a bowl here, and there's a bowl here, and there's a high spot there. So what that happens is the distance from the drain, I got the drain covered right there, but it's right there. The distance from here to here, plus the distance from here to here, is longer than that distance there, because that is level. This is sloped, so you get a longer distance because there's a curve there. So what that means is it's going to be very difficult to get all the corners exactly aligned. You can get it so it looks good, but sometimes you can't get it perfect. Just be aware when you're doing this kind of stuff, especially with it's not so visible with a hexagon tile, but with a square tile, sometimes you can see it more. So you have to make adjustments in the tile. So visually it looks straight, it looks good, but just be aware that it's not going to be perfect because the floor is not flat. It's got humps and dips in it, so all the distances across the floor in any direction are not going to be the same. Dry laying my tile. Now I'm going to cut that one, and I'm going to use my Montlit cutter. Okay, so that's the entire shower floor cut in. So now I just got the two drains to do. Okay, so that's one drain cut in. Just gonna make some adjustments on these sheets. Now we'll cut the other one in. Okay, so both drains are cut in. Time to mix some mortar. I'll pick these up in order, so I'm going to put them in order so that I know where they go. Okay, so the back of these tiles are pretty flat, so I'm just going to use just a Dietrich trowel. Spacer. Flatten the ridges to help it squeeze through. not taking anything set up, just flattening. I'm gonna put this in and check to see the coverages. If it's good, I'm going to continue with that trowel. It is good. Okay, so that's the shower floor with 2 drains. Try to make it balanced, but you know, just did the best I could. The lines are not perfect, and they can't be, because as I said before, there's all kinds of ups and downs in here, so the grout lines will open and close as you go over the humps and valleys. But anyway, that's the shower floor.